Okay, Canada, grab a coffee or maybe a strong cup of tea because 2025 it's a bit messy. People are worried about their jobs. Mortgage payments are going up, grocery bills. We know it all. And should I be worried? Short answer, a little. But there's also hope. In this video, I am breaking it all down in plain, simple words. No confusing terms, no politics, just the truth and what you can actually do about it. Oh, and if you care about your wallet, your house, or your job, go ahead, hit like and subscribe. This stuff matters. Let's start with something weird. The US is talking about charging a big tax, like 25% on stuff we sell to them. That's called a tariff. Sounds boring, but it's a big deal. Because it could hurt our economy, like worse than 2008 crash. The good news? They probably won't go that far. The US still needs a lot of what Canada sells, like oil. But even a smaller tax could mean fewer jobs in Ontario and Quebec. And that's not great. If this happens, the Bank of Canada might lower interest rate to help. But that's only a small win. So what does this mean for you? It means things might get bumpy. But don't panic. Just be aware. And yep, there's more. Okay, want to hear something kind of wild? The news says we have got tons of jobs in Canada. But the truth? Not really. One report says we are doing fine, but another one says we are actually been losing jobs in 3 of the last 5 months. How can both be true? Well, we are counting more people, so it looks like job numbers are growing, but they are not. And guess what? More Canadians are scared of losing their job now than any time since COVID. If your job feels shaky, you're not alone. But knowing it helps you plan better, right? Comment below if you have noticed changes at your work. Now, here's the part that hits home for a lot of people literally. Yeah, you guessed it right. That's mortgages. If you bought a house during the pandemic, you probably had a nice low rate, right? But guess what? 60% of mortgages in Canada are being renewed in the next 2 years. And those new rates way higher. Some people are saying 30% to 40% bigger payments. That's hundreds more each month. If that's you, don't wait. You've got options, but only if you plan before your renewal hits. And if you need help with your mortgages, my in-house mortgage team would be super glad to help you. Oh, and you might be thinking, Jayashree, well, at least housing is still going strong, right? I'm coming to that. You see, new condo sales in Toronto hit a 28-year low. Can you believe? And what about new home construction? Fell by over 130%. That means builders are slowing down and rent prices are finally calming down a bit. But here is the twist. If we are not building now, guess what happens in a few years? Yup, not enough homes again, prices will bounce back. So if you are an investor or a future buyer, watch the timing. Paying now could mean an opportunity later. Now this is huge, guys. The debt. We are seeing more missed payments than we have seen in years. 40% of Canadians think they might miss a debt payment soon. And when people are paying more for mortgages and groceries, they spend less on everything else. It's a tough cycle, but you are not alone. So, here is the part that matters most. What can you do? So, 3 things to remember. Let's keep it super simple. First, if your mortgage is renewing soon, talk to a pro, like my team. We can check your options. 2, if your job feels shaky, start saving a little emergency fund. Even $100 to $200 a week helps. Third, carrying debt. Focus on paying the highest interest stuff first. Don't wait for the news to fix things. Start with the small steps. That's how we win. And I know this information feels heavy, but knowledge is power. Now you know what's going on and how to prepare. And so if this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with a friend who needs to hear. We are in this together, and I will be here every week breaking things down in real talk. Until next time, stay smart and stay kind.